Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Ninja blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja HB150C/HB152 Foodi Heat IQ Blender. The best Ninja blender we've tested is the Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender. This full-size blender offers a few key advantages over most other full-size blenders from the brand. It's one of the few Ninja full-size blenders that can hot blend and heat up ingredients, making it a better option for dedicated home cooks than most models from this manufacturer. The 56-ounce jar features a built-in heating element that enables it to heat and cook ingredients. The jar is made of glass, which is less prone to scratches and discoloration than plastic. Despite only including one jar, it's fantastic for processing small batches of fibrous ingredients in recipes like single-serve smoothies and bigger batches for soup or sauce. It has no problem crushing ice and is fairly easy to use for dips and spreads, such as nut butter. Unlike most Ninja blenders, it comes with a 2-part lid and tamper, which makes it easier to adjust your recipe as it blends. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ninja Blender for Kitchen. If you're looking for a versatile option without paying top dollar, the Ninja Foodi Power Pitcher System is the best upper mid-range Ninja blender we've tested. Like many Ninja blenders, it comes bundled with various jars and accessories that help improve its versatility. These include a 72-ounce main jar, a 24-ounce personal jar for single-serve smoothies, and a smoothie bowl maker that makes blending thick mixtures like nut butter easy. It can't be used for hot blending, unlike the Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender, but its various accessories make it quite versatile. The main jar is fantastic for crushing ice, and even comes with a dough blade to help form dough. However, it's slow to blend fibrous ingredients, especially in large batches in the main pitcher, and has a limited range of blending speeds, which reduces its versatility. Another downside is that it's louder than the other Ninja blenders we recommend. For a less noisy option, consider the Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo with Auto IQ. At number 3, we have the Ninja Foodi Blender. If you generally blend smaller batches and want a versatile blender for less, the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is a mid-range personal blender that offers solid multi-purpose performance in a small package. It makes incredibly smooth blends with fibrous fruits and leafy greens in its 24-ounce jars, making it a great option for small batches of smoothies. While it can't crush as much ice at once as the Ninja Foodi Power Pitcher System, it has no problem blending small batches of ice, whether you're adding it to a smoothie or making crushed ice for cocktails. This blender also comes with a smoothie bowl maker jar, which has rotating arms inside, making it very easy to use for small batches of nut butter, hummus, and other thicker dips and spreads. Unlike many personal blenders, it has buttons for automatic blending programs, so you don't need to watch the machine while your smoothie blends. At number 2, we have the Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 is a good option if you want a simple, budget-friendly blender for recipes like smoothies or blended cocktails. It's a straightforward blender and doesn't blend smoothies as well as the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo, but it's well built and has a fantastic ice-crushing performance. It includes a 72-ounce main jar, blades, and a lid with a spout for pouring. While it can't blend hot ingredients, it's just as good as any Ninja blender we've tested for ice crushing, allowing it to quickly and easily make snow-like crushed ice for cocktails or drinks, such as slushies. Although it doesn't come with personal jars, it does a good job of processing small batches of fibrous ingredients, such as kale, which allows it to produce a well-blended single-serve smoothie. Unfortunately, it doesn't perform as well with bigger batches. If you fill the jar to capacity for multiple servings of fruit smoothies, you end up with a grainy blend. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Blast Max Portable and Personal Blender. If you want a cheap blender for simple smoothies and protein shakes, consider the Ninja Blast Max BC 251. This battery-powered blender comes with a dishwasher-safe 22-ounce jar and a travel lid for easy sipping on the go. While it doesn't have the power or versatility of the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo or most of Ninja's other conventional blenders, its portable design makes it a good option for making smoothies and protein shakes, especially when a blender can't be easily plugged in. It also offers a good blending performance for a portable blender. It's our mid-range pick in our roundup of the best portable blenders and makes a mostly smooth blend with fibrous ingredients like fruit and kale. That said, like most battery-powered blenders, it's not ideal for tougher blends. It's not meant for blending dry ingredients like nuts without liquid in the jar, and the battery doesn't last long. A fully charged battery yields roughly 7 blending cycles of 30 seconds each when blending a kale smoothie, although it might last longer depending on your ingredients. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.